how to make this beautiful fish. So let's start the class.
Making fish, we need colored papers, pair of scissors, Fevicol and sketch pen. First, we have to make circles on colored paper and then we will cut like this. For making fish, we need a paper, then we will fold it into half and then we will draw half fish on it. See, like this. Now I am going to cut it. See, now fish is ready. Now the circles which we have cut, fold it into half. Like this. And separate it. Now I am going to make a line over here. First we will paste eyes. Here I have made eyes with white paper and sketch pen. Now put Fevicol over here. Paste one by one these small circles on it because these are the scales of fish. You know that now? I'm taking different color. Now the fish is ready. We will make mouth here, make a small cut. See. I hope you like the class. Thank you.